Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we'll take a quick look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, on the higher time frames for V75 index, we can see that V75 price is currently retracing. We have this bullish run, and then we have this retracement happening. Okay, bullish run in the sense that this is a higher, this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, higher high. Okay, retracement in the sense that this is a low, this is a high, this is a lower low. Okay, and price is currently respecting the descending trend line around here. So a closer look at what has happened on the daily time frame. We can see this morning star that pushed price to the resistance area where the descending trend line is, and you can see price retracing. But as time goes on, we find out if the price will retrace back to back below the opening level on the daily time frame. But for now, price is currently slightly bullish. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see the retracement more elaborate. Okay, it's clearer. You can see this one, two, three, four bullish candlesticks, followed by this last particular candlestick, and it's currently retracing. But the 4-hour is still running. At the close of the 4-hour, we'll monitor. This is clearly an inverted head and shoulder. On the 4-hour time frame, volatility 75 index, this is the left shoulder, this is the right, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, the price of V75 has broken the neckline and is trying to go to the top. A break of this descending trend line will send price first to this area, which is the 387,556 area, before it finally gets to this area 397,214. But currently priced at 378,990 area. Okay, so we continue to monitor. In as much as we continue to monitor, we hope that price will continue to respect this ascending trend line. Okay, so whatever happens, a break below this point will send price down. A break below this descending trend line will push price up. Now let's look at the 1-hour time frame. What do we have on the 1-hour time frame? Volatility 75 index. You can see this evening star trying to form. If this evening star candlestick closes around here, you might see price retracing to this other block around here, this particular other block. If the evening star, the current evening star completely forms, we can see price. We might see price coming to this other block before price go up. Okay, and a failure of this other block will send price further down to this particular other block around here on the 1-hour time frame. Send price to this particular other block. But for now, the current trend is bullish. Is bullish in the sense that price is currently respecting this trend line, ascending trend line. A test of this trend line might send price up. Okay, so that's that for the 1-hour time frame. For the 30 minutes time frame, look at this Twizzler top. This candlestick pattern Twizzler top, price is currently descending, and we might see price breaking. It already price has broken this ascending trend line. Okay, so the next point of stop for price might be this area, this particular area where we have this other block. Price might come to this area, test this area, then bounce back up. Okay, that's that for the 30 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. Volatility 75. Let's can see the bears are stepping in. And we already have a descending trend line. Further respect of this descending trend line might send price down, and we might be having something like head and shoulder pattern. Which is the reversal pattern. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. That's the head. Okay, beg your pardon. That's the head, and we might have the right shoulder form around here. But let's see how events unfold, how price moves. For now, the bullish are in charge, but the bears are trying to step in. Okay. Um. The 5 minutes time frame. You can see the 5 minutes time frame. How we have this double top, this particular double top on the 5 minutes time frame. We have this top, very top here, and we have another top around here on the 5 minutes time frame. We have a double top, okay, and price is currently going down. So we are look for how to scalp sell volatility 75 index on the lower time frames. Look at what is happening on the 1 minute time frame. Price is breaking structures. Price is breaking structures, like this structure just got broken around here on the 1 minute time frame, and we keep seeing lower lows. This is a low, this is another low, and this is another lower highs. I beg your pardon. You can see lower highs. Okay, this particular high is lower than this high. This particular high is lower than this high. So we might look for how to scalp sell volatility 75 index on the lower time frames. Let's take a look at what is happening on step index. Step index is quite bearish on the daily time frame. You can see step index bearish on the daily time frame. Look at the descending, this particular descending trend line, okay, on the daily time frame. Price is currently testing and then respecting the trend line, but a closer look at what's happening on the daily time frame, we can see that price is rejecting this particular area. Okay, price tested it, rejected, price broke it around here, and it's currently rejecting that particular area because of this order block we have around here. That's primarily because of the order block we have around here. So price is testing this order block. We might see a little bounce. As soon as price breaks this descending trend line, we might see a bounce. Okay, we might see a bounce to this area before price continues its downward trajectory. So that's that for step index on the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, we can see that the trend is bearish. Okay, the trend is bearish on the 4-hour time frame. So a break of this descending trend line will send price to this particular point first before price goes to another level, which is a higher level at the 8800 area. So that's on the 4-hour time frame. The trend is bearish. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see a double bottom on the 1-hour time frame, indicating that the bulls are making their best effort to try to push price up. Look at, but the overall trend is still bearish. The overall trend is still bearish. Only time will tell if the bears will step in and push price to break this particular structure around here. Okay, the 30 minutes time frame, you can see that the bulls are stepping in. Look at what has happened here. This is the morning star, and you can see, look at the test of that level, the test of this particular order block, and look at price is going up. Okay, so price on the 30 minutes time frame might be aiming for the 8749 area. Okay, look at this candle, these two candles. Okay, so if the bears are able to push price down to break below this low of this candle, you might see price going back to where it started from. But for now, the bulls are stepping in on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, it's much more clearer that the bulls are stepping in. We have this bottom here. We have liquidity being formed just around here. This liquidity, okay, and we have this double bottom. Okay, this double bottom, look at a break of structure around here, and look at price trying to test that structure to go higher. Going higher, price might target this area, 8744 area, and price might also get as high as the 8748 area. So that's on the 15 minutes time frame. The bulls are stepping in. You might want to scalp buy step index on the 15 minutes time frame. Looking at the 5 minutes time frame, you can see the double bottom, this double bottom here. Price is reacting to this double bottom pattern. This is the left bottom. and this is the right bottom. Okay, and look at a break of structure around here, a break of the neckline, and price is testing that break. If the break, if the support here now holds, price is expected to go up. If the support holds, price is expected to go up. So that's that on the 5 minute time frame. You might look for how to scalp buy until you see a candlestick pattern that shows maybe possibly a bearish pin bar or a bearish engulfing pattern. So let's look at the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, we are looking at something like a head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head or double top. We might have the right shoulder formation around it before price breaks this ascending trend line and then start to dip. Or we might not see the third formation, price will just start to dip or price will bounce. But for now, on the 1 minute time frame, we have a double top indicating possible reversal. So if price is going to reverse, price is going to come down to this other block here on the 1 minute time frame. I'm talking about step index 1 minute time. Price might come to this other block and then find some support and then go up. Okay, or price might possibly drop lower for the overall bearish trend, which you can see on the daily time frame, to continue. So that's that for step index and volatility 75 index. If you like this, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click the like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to the channel so that you get to see more of our videos. Go ahead and share the videos so that your friends and loved ones can get to see it. Also, go ahead and click the bell button below the video for notification when we release the next video, which will be coming up tomorrow, so that you'll be notified. You can drop comments, ask questions below the video. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility 75 index. You can also visit our another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.